In this video, we'll walk through how to upload documentation to an asset icon. Once you've dropped your icon on your plan, click the icon, click the View Asset Page button in the bottom right corner. Select Documents from the options below the basic information. In the right corner, click the Add New Asset File button. Choose between files previously uploaded to CriticalAsset or files from the device you're on. Select the option. Choose the file or files you would like to upload. You can keep the file's name or give it a new name. Click the Save button to add your file to this asset. Once you click Save, you'll see your new file has been uploaded and you can select it here.